Hey, what's up everybody? It's Sully. We are at Center Consoles Only. We are doing the Reef Runner install with Raymarine Electronics. Now, we talk about situational awareness a lot. Our radar is going to really give you a lot of situational awareness. We have the Quantum 2 radar going onto their boat. This particular case, we've color matched it to their hardtop. Make sure it looks really sweet and money out there. Doppler 2 radar. What is this going to give you? This gives you motion tracking. So as objects are coming away, going, whatever, they're going to change colors. Anybody can look at that radar and instantly know, is this target a threat or not? Definitely worthwhile. Doppler technology, low power draw. This has the ability also to be hooked up to just 12 volt power and then Wi-Fi connect to your chart plotter. So if you're trying to save on a wire run, you have an existing radar on your mast and you want to upgrade, but you don't want to run a new data cable, you already have power, just hook the power up, plug it in, connect via Wi-Fi to your Raymarine Axiom display, and you're up and running.
What we've got going on right now, we've got obviously the FLIR camera just mounted, wires run. We've got the C-View 5-inch aft leaning radar pedestal on, and we've got two VHF mounts waiting for the sun to roll down so it's not so hot. We're going to pull the boat out and just make sure that both VHF antennas are perfectly straight.
Sully, if you can explain to us the difference between the enclosed dome and the open array radar?
So your dome radar is going to be for your smaller boats. They're closer to the water. You're not going to get as far a range with it. Your larger radars, your open arrays, your 4 and 6 foot antennas, further range, more power. You really only see over the horizon. You're really limited by horizon line. What do you need to pull down?
Probably like another 6 feet.
All right.
We just anchored up about 60 feet of water, roughly. Trying to see if we can chum up some yellowtail and something off the bottom. Maybe we saw what seemed to be a couple of mahi that might have rolled in through here too, small ones. But yeah, just having fun out in the water. It's at 186 degrees, I think I saw on the machine. Nice crisp morning.
So we want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.